Saan nyo? Hindi ko narinig. Wala. Di ba? Yan ang problema. Okay. Okay na, kasi sabi ng company, kung wala kayong 88,000 pero gusto nyo magka-franchise, we can still help you. Okay? Anong solusyon namin dyan? Gusto mga talaga, gusto magnegosyo pero limited ang income, limited ang pera, you can start with a down payment. Down payment ka lang. How much is the down payment? Ito po. 11,588. Okay? Yung 11,588, malaki pa rin ba? Maliit? Ito to. Malaki. Gusto nyo malitan?
Yes.
O, litan ko. Malitan, ya? Tagal ng joke yan eh. Ba't pa rin kayo? Talaga? Okay. 11,588. Okay. Bago ho magdilim ang paningin nyo sa 11,588, patapusin nyo muna ako kasi I have 3 good news for you. Okay. Number 1 good news. Yung 11,588 nyo is your lifetime investment. It cannot be forfeited. Okay? Ibig sabihin, hindi ka tulad ng ibang franchises, pag bumili ka sa franchise, nag-down payment ka, hindi mo nabayaran yung buo. Goodbye na yung down payment mo. Tama? Dito, forever investment mo yun. Hindi nawawala 11,588. Good news ba yun?
Yes.
Okay. Pero teka, Edward, di ba may balance pa yan? Oo. Same thing with other company. Hanggang di mo nababayaran yung balance, wala ka pa rin franchise. Tama? Meron tong good news. Yung 79,000 na balance, kami tutulong sa inyo, nababayaran yun, okay, na hindi manggagaling sa bulsa nyo. Okay ba yun? So, pwede, okay ba yung idea na pwede hindi magaling sa bulsa may 79,000?
Yes.
At magkaka-franchise ka pa rin?
Yes.
Okay, good news number 2 yun. Good news number 3, yung 11,588 na down payment nyo, babalik pa namin sa inyo. In terms of products, services, and benefits. Okay, kapalit yung down payment nyo. Magkano kapalit? Yan po ay aabot pa ng about 42,000 pesos. So, lugi ba kayo? So, ulitin natin ha. Gusto nyo magka-franchise, wala tayong 88,000. Down payment ka lang. Pero yung down payment mo, hindi siya na-forfeit. Tapos, yung 79,000 na balance, pwede pang di manggaling sa bulsa mo, at yung 11,588 na nilabas mo, may kapalit. 42,000. Maganda. At syempre, ang tanong niya, sigurado, nasa utak nyo, paano? Posible ba yan? Di ba? Mga ginugoyo mo lang ako. Di ba? Tingnan natin. For the next few minutes, yun ang pag-uusapan natin. How is it possible, with the system that we have right now, pwede mangyari ang mga bagay na yan? Okay? Again, it all boils down with the system. Okay? Ito kung pakikita ko sa inyo, kaya naging posible kasi we have a powerful system that makes it possible. Yung imposible noon, posible na ngayon. Naniniwala kayo doon?
Yes.
Yung parang typewriter tsaka computer. Yung imposible sa typewriter, posible na ngayon sa computer. So, likewise, yung sa business na pakikita ko sa inyo, yung inaakala nyo imposible na yumaman, inaakala nyo imposible magkaroon ng sarili negosyo with a small investment, ngayon, posible na ngayon. Okay? Because we are in the information age. Okay. Anong mapapala ko ng 11,588? What do I get in return? Again, the moment you pay the 11,588, it becomes your down payment. At the same time, you become a member of the club. Okay? Clear po tayo doon? And as a member of the club, you will get a lot of benefits and privileges. Isa na po dyan yung i-issuean namin kayo ng ID. Itong ID na to is a discount card. Okay? Magkakaroon kayo ng ID, ganyan kalaki. Yan. Kasya sa wallet niya yan. Laki, no? So, discount card mo yan. Kasi you go to David Salon, workout ko na ho. You go to David Salon, nagpagupit ka doon, you get 10% discount. Wow. Okay ba yun? Palakpakan nyo ba yun? And mismong David Salon nagsabi sa akin, never in the history of David Salon na nag-extend sila ng discount privilege sa mga ordinaryong member tulad namin. Tayo lang binigyan ng ganong privilege. And we should be proud of that. Okay? So yan po. At iba pa, marami pa kayong mga discount privileges sa iba't ibang establishments. May mga tie-up and merchant partner ho tayo doon. What else? You will be given benefits and privileges. Since ang nais ng kumpanya ay magkaroon kayo ng sarili nyo negosyo, then yun ay bibigyan namin sa inyo. We will provide you business. Okay? Ano po yung mga negosyong pwede nyong umpisahan? Yan po. We have a variety of options. Number one, you can become a franchisor or an entrepreneur. Katulad ko po, I used to sell different franchises. Now, I have the opportunity to sell my own franchise. I'm one of the franchisors right now of Royal Business Club. Pwede po yun. So kung kayo meron kayong idea, may kino-conceptualize kayong sistema, negosyo, produkto, sa tingin nyo pwede i-franchise, we can help you also. Okay? You can become one of our franchisees or master franchisee. Marami tayong mga franchises yan, di ba? Gusto ko hawakan yan sa buong probinsya. Let's say, gusto ko iking lahat ng La Union area, akin lahat yan. That's what we call master franchising. Okay? You can also become a merchant partner or a product provider. If you have an existing business right now, may it be services or your or other businesses, you can tie up your business with us. Ganun po. Tulad ng isang ito lang, recently, I was talking to a big insurance company for 50 years. They're planning to tie up their services with us. Okay? Pero nasa embryonic stage pa lang po kami. Pero it's possible. You can also become a product provider. Kung may mga produkto kayo, gusto nyo ipamarket sa company, pwede din. Okay? Or a mobile stockist or a product center. If you see the quality of our products and nakita nyo malaki ang demand for that, let's say, in a province or kaya sa isang bansa na meron kayong access, alam nyo, try to become one of our mobile stockists or product center owner. Isa ho yun sa nakita ko opportunity dito. Grabe. Ako po, I just started a few months ago. I started as a mobile stockist. 2 weeks pa lang nakita ko yung beta, ang ganda. I applied for a product center owner. Okay? Kasi ang laki ng discount. Up to 150%. 150% ang markup. Can you imagine that? Mamaya makikita nyo. Or you can just become one of our direct sellers. O kung sino matuto mag-negosyo lang, o kumita at the same time, we can help you as well. Okay? By showing you the system that we have right now. Maganda ba?
Yes!
Okay, isa sa mga privileges niyan. Hindi pa natatapos po doon. Sabi ko nga, yung 11588 na nilabas nyo, ibabalik pa namin sa inyo. Okay? Immediately. Meron kayo immediate exchange of products and services. Okay? Kapalit ng inyong down payment. Ano po yung mga immediate products and giveaways na makikita makukuha nyo? Okay, we have several options. Yung aming King Package Option 1, out of your down payment of 11588, you get all of these things already. Okay? Meron kayo 6 bottles of glutathione, grapeseed, and royal seed. Okay? Pinalitan natin. Ginawa natin grapeseed. So imagine niyo ano to? Grapeseed. Tapos royal seed. Okay? Magkano bang glutathione? At David Salon, we're selling it at 1,495. Same thing with Watson. So Watson, yung 18 branches nila, magkano kayo ng glutathione natin doon, same brand, 1,500 po. Okay? Sa atin ang selling price natin dito is 1,400. You get 6 bottles of that. Meron kayo isang royal seed at isang grapeseed. Meron nung kayong 4 na gift check. Yung glutathione gift check natin, wherein you can use that to purchase glutathione for only 500 pesos and 50 centavos. So, yung value ho niyan, all in all, if you will compute it, it's about 12,500 including the gift checks. Okay? Magkano nilabas nyo? Down payment yun. Pero magkano tinanggap nyo? 12,000 more or less. 12,500 pa nga eh. Diba po? So, option 1 yan. You have other options. Option 2, kung gusto nyo fit, shape, and glutathione. Or option 3, combination of different products. Option 4, grapeseed and fit shape. So may mga pwede kayong pagpilian. And relatively, pare-pareho naman halos yung presyo niya. Okay, so hindi kayo lugi. Okay? So yan po yan. What else? Kapalit pa rin muna yung down payment, yung trainings. Kasi inihanda namin kayo maging negosyante. And we believe, para kayo maging negosyante, you should be trained. Kaya dito kayo papasok yung training consultant natin from DTI. They will teach you on how you can become a well-rounded business person. Okay? Kung zero knowledge kayo about business, tuturuan namin kayo from basic personality to leadership, entrepreneurship, salesmanship, speakership, innovative business development, non-traditional marketing business, and goal selling. We call it blessings training. And regularly, we conduct trainings like that. So, kahit wala kayong alam, depending on your